Lesson goal. This lesson will teach you about fundamental analysis, its types, and price ratio. You'll also learn about the differences between technical and fundamental analysis and the pros and cons of fundamental analysis from this lesson. Learning outcome. Understand what is fundamental analysis. Know the different types of fundamental analysis. Become familiar with fundamental analysis of stock. Find out the price ratio of fundamental analysis. Discover fundamental analysis versus technical analysis. Learn the pros and cons of fundamental analysis. Different types of fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis can be divided into two types. Qualitative. This involves evaluating the value of the brand, the decisions made by management, and the financial performance of a particular company. Quantitative. This is purely based on numbers and is used to examine the financial statements of a company before calculating the share price. Despite the difference in approaches, both are equally important for analyzing a company's share price comprehensively. The fundamental analysis process can also be divided into two steps. Top-down and bottom-up fundamental analysis have been classified as two types of fundamental analysis.